Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to delete Steam account permanently on your Windows and how to do this step. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to open your Steam and you have to successfully sign in. And once it is done, you just have to click over here at the top. Then you just have to click on account details. Now from here you just have to scroll down and there is an option called delete my Steam account, so you just have to click on this. Now they're going to ask you some of the questions regarding this, how it works and all these things. As you can see that it is mentioned, even if you go for delete option, what you have to do is just have to wait for 30 days, and between that it will get completely deleted. As you can see on the Facebook as well as in other platforms, it's take a couple of days to delete it up. So here's some as when I read the FAQ on account decisions and some questions where they will be asking you some questions regarding this, and if you're facing any kind of issues or something where we don't need this, we just have to go for proceed to account deletion. Click on this. Now they're going to ask you some questions like, what was the first email you used on the account in order to verify it, as well as the phone number which is linked to the account, and there is any kind of things what you wanted to send this up. And once all these things completely done with this, you just have to click over here on the send option, which will be sent to the Steam support, and they'll be doing the necessary, and it's going to take around 13 days to delete your account. So this is what you have to do. Give a respective email ID as well as the phone number, and what is the trouble you're having and why you want to delete it. It depends on, you can find something else. And once it is successfully done, you can attach some kind of files over here, and once it is successfully done, you just have to go for send option so that it will be sent to the Steam and your account will be deleted in between 13 days. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.